How to make a trellis with a lattice fence panel. Hello everybody, welcome to Seven Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. So today we're gonna be making a lattice, a trellis with a lattice fence panel. This is an old fence panel that I had lying around, so I'm gonna use it to make a trellis for my beans. So we're gonna first of all we need a pole. I have a little 2x4 right here that I just sharpen the edges to dig to the ground. The fence panel, the length of the fence panel is about 6 feet, and the length of the pole is 8 feet. So I'm just gonna put the panel and lift the panel up. The panel is gonna be like half of half a foot above the post, so that way it gives me a little bit more space for the plants to grow up, and there's gonna be a little bit of space about a foot or two on the bottom between the panel and the ground. So I'm just gonna make sure that I line them up straight in the line them up straight, and then just pre-drill the holes just to avoid the either the panel or the post splitting in half. I just pre-drill about 4 or 5 holes before putting my screws in. The screws I'm using, the screws are gonna be 2 inch screws. You can use 2 inch or 2.5 inch screws. They should be fine. They should be able to hold the panel to the post, and an inch and a half should also be fine, but I just want to make sure that the post is a little bit more secure, so I'm using the 2 inch screws that I already have at home. So all the materials were I already had them at home. I had the panel lying around, and I had the 2x4 also lying around, and I also had the some leftover screws from another project. So all of these is just free if you have any of these, but if you don't have any of them, you might be able to uh, make these by getting all these things, or by making yourself a little panel. But these are easy to do. So after drilling all the holes, I'm just gonna screw the panel and the post together. So I'm gonna use this to plant green beans, and I'm gonna plant about 4 to 6 um, green beans plant on it, and I'm just gonna make sure I manage it to control everything. But it should be enough to hold 4 to 6 green beans. Since the green beans are gonna be spreading, so I just want to make sure that I plant them at a little bit different intervals. So here's the panel. I just want to check and make sure that it is all firm all on all sides, but it looks like the middle is not, and the top is not as firm as I like it to be, especially if you're gonna have a lot of green beans on it. So I'm just gonna add a couple of screws. I'll say about 2 or 3 screws, just to make sure that it's secured before I put it into the ground. So I just put 2 or 3 screws. That will help him have more stability, and also avoid the panel from coming out from the post because of the pressure or the weight of the plant on it, the green beans and the green bean leaves. So if you have any questions or comments about this, please leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer as many as possible. So now I'm just finishing the drilling, and just now I have to put it into the ground. So what I'm using is my bulb planter. This little tool that I have attached to my drill is a bulb planter. So I'm gonna use it to drill a hole, and just put the pole inside, or the 2x4 inside, and the panel, so that way it's more firmly secured. If the hole is deep enough, it should hold the weight of the panel and the post. So now I'm just gonna put it in and make sure that it's secured. Then I'll put a couple of things to hold it. So you just want to make sure that it's secure, because once you have a lot of vines and beans on it. It's gonna be heavy. You want to make sure it's completely secured before you start planting and growing stuff on it. So I think it's secured now, so I'm just gonna use a couple of stones I have around just to secure it before I close it with the ground. My next video will show you how to plant the beans on it, so definitely watch out for the next video, which is coming up. So this is it with the green beans on it. Stay tuned for updates for harvesting and of the green beans and how it goes later on. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching and happy growing.